Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable your AdMob ads without removing the actual ad units from your dashboard. If you guys didn't notice, AdMob does not have any special option to disable the ads or to enable it for later users. For some reason, they're not given that option in AdMob dashboard, but it's not completely hopeless yet. We can still disable the ads without removing the ad units. As you guys already know, most of the apps are made of simple ad implementation. This means you can change the ad unit code from your app that you have already placed inside it. You see, many people might have already installed your application on their mobile. If you remove the ad unit from your AdMob dashboard, the people who already have installed your apps in their mobile can see your ads. This means you'll lose your revenue for sure. You may change your mind, you want to run the ads once again, but your old ad units will no longer work since you have removed it from your dashboard. So I won't recommend removing your ad units from your dashboard. Instead, we have a solution that will help us with this kind of situation. To do that, select each of your ad units and click the advanced settings. Then enable eCPM floor and put its maximum higher value and click save. If you want to know what is eCPM floor and how this will affect your ads, then let me explain how. Each of your ad units have an eCPM floor. You could say eCPM floor as a kind of a ad value restriction option. What it means is you are actually restricting the ads by its value, by its cost. So by setting maximum eCPM floor to higher value, almost it will not show any ads because most of the ads are cheaper or decent paying ads. There are not many high paying ads at this higher cost. Since it can find much higher value ads to serve, it won't show any ads at all. So now we have successfully disabled the ads. If you want to enable the ads back to normal, then just disable the eCPM floor from each one of your ad units that you have changed. It's actually very simple, so I hope this helps you guys. And if you guys think this video helps you a lot, then please share your thoughts in the comments below and give us a like and subscribe to our channel. See you guys in the next video, and bye.